What's up, family? Your brother in the kingdom here, Emmanuel Mwaka. And of course, as you guys know it, we're gonna be analyzing the markets intraday perspective, and it might have sort of be actually a signal for the whole week, as we actually starting the week on Tuesday right now. Some of you guys know I start trading on Tuesday personally. I don't take any trades before Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's when I actually finish my trading. So I'm gonna show you my perspective in the markets and where I see the market going based on smart money concept rules and other rules that I kind of use, or tricks that I use in the markets to kind of really know exactly where the market is going to go. I highly warn you, this is going to be highly accurate. So make sure you watch every detail, pay attention to every detail in this video, and let me know what you see as well in the markets. God bless you. Okay, family, so we are on the markets right now. As you can see, I am on the H1. I'm on the H1 right here, and I just want to be dissecting the setup that I have for you for this week, and with all the rules I will show you what I mean. So I just want to start off by showing you the actual trend that we're in and what kind of setup is this and what kind of tricks that I have up my sleeve to actually show you this. Many people, they just take a strategy and go along with it, but because I've been taught by so many people, I combined everything to make sure that I am at the level of accuracy that I am. Now we can clearly see the trend that actually started here. We did have the market in fact selling off right here, and we can see that we did have a bearish Hellman. So that is a candlestick formation here that actually occurred, and we can see that the market started selling as well, and we had this bearish trend. And of course, this bearish trend was broken. We had a change of character. The market now went all the way up, and we're finally here. Now, my conclusion to what I'm about to tell you and to my analysis, or rather my hypothesis, is that I see the market going back down. In fact, this is actually a classic formation within technical analysis called a deep pullback. So a deep pullback is when the market looks like it has broken a trend. So this was the trend. So this was the bearish trend, and it looks like it has broken it, but in fact it's going back to a zone that was not mitigated. So any zone that was left off by the market and the market never came back to this area, that means that the market will create that area, or it will eventually come back to it to actually sell off. So it will take all of these lows that we see right here and probably be taking profits within this. So now let me just niche it down all the way to all traders or smart money traders. So we can take this high right there. We can also take our low. Let me just show you guys. Let me just show you. Come on, come on. I'm so excited for this setup. Low, high, there we go. And I want to take here, I want to take this spike here. You will understand why I'm taking this. Okay, there we go. I'm taking that wick. So I'm taking those wicks and stretching them across, and as you can see, the market has already mitigated that, and we're just waiting for movement. We can see that the market here took these highs yesterday, so that was a beautiful liquidity in the market to take. They pushed the market up. Now that buyers are anticipating this to go even higher, to break this higher high, they want to sell them, then we'll take it higher. So let's go all the way to other time frames here. I just hope you guys can see that. Okay, so right now we will be going into the M5 15 minutes, right? And you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So right now, that same level, that's where we actually see the market that it has actually hit that. We can definitely see that this is the zone that I was talking about on the H1. Let me push all the way back so that you guys can see. That is the zone right there. I'm not gonna get to where I want. I'm just gonna give up. So, but you can get the picture of what I'm actually talking about. Now that we've actually mitigated that area, this would be a big stop loss for one to actually take. For example, if I were to put this trade and say I'm gonna take a trade right here, this would be a huge stop loss range, especially trading NASDAQ. And this would be about 75 pips. So we cannot do that to ourselves. So the best way is to kind of refine. And of course, when you refine, you look for areas as well in the market where you have an OB right here. As you can see, I have an order block. I have other things like change of character over here. So there we go. I have a change of character. I have the structure here showing me that it actually was pulling back, and now we have liquidity forming. So before they can actually push the market down, they need to create liquidity. If they have not created liquidity, they cannot fill in any gaps. So as we can see, we did have gaps right here. They're filling them in, but they're now creating liquidity. For traders who are thinking we're just gonna sell off, they're gonna want to take them right now, push the market up, and then get to sell it. So this is my view. It might happen in the next 1 or 2 days. It might take that time, or it might just be so fast that it actually happens today. It might not be necessarily for the London session only. It might be also be for the New York. It might be also for the next day as you're going to be watching this video. But I just hope I will try to make a video to just update you guys on the current situation of this setup, if I am gonna take the trade or not. But so far everything aligns, come on, to exactly the rules that I actually use for my own trading edge. So I just want to show you something here. If I go to the M5, you will see that liquidity forming. We do have this ranging market, and of course this ranging market is gonna break out of the trend that it's coming from. Remember, I've learned from multiple people, so I know exactly every rule to follow. I've been taught by multiple people, and that's the power of pursuing knowledge. Okay, so as you can see, liquidity there, liquidity there. Now as you can see, this is a ranging market according to the rules of technical analysis, where as you can see, it came in and now we are ranging in this, and when it breaks out, it's going to break above. When it breaks out, a lot of buyers, we're going to have buyers here coming in, and of course that will be taking that liquidity, but those buyers are going to be soon stopped out when the market actually does this. Okay, so that's what it's actually doing now, to take away that liquidity. So that's why I am just waiting patiently, just like an eagle when it's about to hunt. It waits patiently, hovers around the waters, or just hovers around its prey. Once it's ready, it just gets to attack. Hence we are prophetic forex. So when it comes to trading, it's more like a game of patience. You gotta be patient for the right setup. Don't be like an AK-47 where you're always shooting and you're not hitting your target. You wanna hit your target. You wanna be a sniper in the market, and it takes patience to be a sniper. So I just hope that you're actually seeing this. You're picking up the skill. You're taking notes. Also question, don't just go with what I say because I said I can trade for about 7 years right now. I can be wrong, totally wrong, right? Tell me as well, what is your feedback? I know there are people who are watching this who are well skilled in trading. So tell me what you see in the markets, tell me the prices, tell me why. Don't just say I see buys, guys. That's not a comment that has context. Why do you see buy? I see buys because this and this and this, 1, 2 and 3 is happening in the market. So that is what I need to hear from you, family. So I hope you've been blessed by this. I hope, in fact, if you're still watching till right now and you're a first-time viewer, please make sure that you get to hit that subscribe button. I believe this is actually going to make a lot of people a lot of money. If you just wait for it, monitor that setup on your side, I believe you can make money. God bless you.